Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders! Wow, market strong like bull. Oh, not maybe not strong like bull, but wow. It still hasn't. I really thought, as you said over the last week, I really thought we'd actually start to see a down move soon. But I've always said that we need to break a new low. Okay, we need to break this new low. We haven't actually broken that new low. If I look at this, let me bring up this chart here for a minute. And as you can see, right, like I've always said, you know, look out below, but the confirmation for me is a break below this 23,000. We haven't done that yet. So, you know, it's like, you know, again, I originally thought, and there you go, my thoughts were that I thought that we're going to break down, but we haven't got that yet, right? And we haven't got that confirmation yet. So there'll be no way you'll actually be short this market right now until there be at least some confirmation. But yeah, guys, it's like, wow, right? It's like this is the market. The market is continuing to be strong now. So as I was saying before last week, guys, I really did thought, and we still may get it, but right now, guys, again, we still may get this, but we can't actually sort of bet on that. And that's what I was saying last week is that, so this is sort of like a bit of a warning that we actually, you know, that we're going to get some downside here. We've slowly crept up here. Here's another sort of 1.9% here. It's going to be really interesting to see whether we do break these highs up here and whether we do continue up. That's going to be the defining factor there. But overall, guys, we still have a low, a higher low, a higher low, and a higher low through here. And I know you monkeys are going to come out and say, oh my goodness, John, you said the market was going to fall. Yeah, I actually really thought the market would, I really thought the market was going to start to drop out of this here, but it didn't. And also I've been saying I've been waiting for confirmation here. So so that's basically what you know, basically what's happened here, right? We haven't actually gotten a close below this level here. So 23,500, we haven't gotten a close below. And same for look at the S&P, right? The S&P still just, again, I really thought, meh. But it's just like low, higher low, higher low, higher low. I really thought we'd probably get something like this here, but we didn't. And that's why you always wait for confirmation of change of trend. And as you guys know, if you watched my yesterday's video, I was saying we need to break below 2,800 first for me to start to say that this is likely to continue down for me. So there we go, guys. I was wrong. I really thought we'd actually get a bit more downside here. Man, I was wrong. But you know what? You know what the good thing is about me being wrong? Is that I don't trade my thoughts. I don't trade, like if you guys see my videos, right? It's not like I'm going to go, well, I think the market's going to go down right now, so let me short the market. Woo! No. Right? My week, I've actually had a fantastic week. And so when it comes to trading, like I recently got out of Apple. Right, so down here, see this little green, see this little pink arrow here? Bing, ding! I got into Apple there on the crash, and I knew we are going to rally, and I got out just recently here for, was it 200 and? Let me have a look at my spreadsheet here. 236% return on Apple. So I did really good on that, and also, so the reason I'm telling you this, guys, is because I don't trade. When I do these videos, I'm just giving you an update of what I'm seeing and so on and so forth, but you never trade in that, right? You trade based on a plan. And then, so that was more of a crash type of trade, take advantage of that. And then I also had a trade on TMUS. Here we go. This is what I call a short-term cash flow trade. In yesterday, out today, nice 30% profit. This guy had a good week. So I want to question you, I want to ask you guys, how'd you go this week? How was your trading this week? Are you trading based on what you think is going to happen, or is it based on a plan? Like for example here, right? This breakout bar with this setup here, this was based on a plan that is just a trading system and a trading pattern that I trade, and more times than not, it's going to generate some nice income. Some of them are short-term trades, like this one here was a beautiful trade. The setup just before that, ENPH. Right, this one right back here, nice little breakaway bar, beautiful run on, and so on and so forth, right? So if we have a look at that, let me go and And so, so yes, that's basically what I'm seeing through there, guys. And I just wanted to share with you that there. So I want to share with you guys, this is actually a bit of a behind the scenes of what I do as a trader. So when I'm doing these market updates for you guys, if you guys are blatantly following or trading based on the videos that I do, then that's not the right thing to do, right? I'm just giving you guys, and I literally mean what I mean when I say that disclaimer at the start. Right? Because no, I don't always make a profit, and yes, I have my losses, but most of the time the losses are taken care of by most of the wins that I have. Makes sense? So I've had a really good week overall, guys. Even though I've been wrong on my calling, thinking that we're actually probably going to get some downside. Yes, I take it. I take credit for it. Credit, blame, whatever. Okay. Even though I see that, guess what? I've had a good week. Why? Because I don't trade based on my thoughts. And if you guys are trading based on your thoughts, that's a really bad thing to do, okay? So anyway, guys, I hope you guys have had a good week. If not, look back and ask, why didn't you have a good week? Are you still just like, oh, I think the market's going to drop, so I'm going to short right now? Like with the videos I've been doing, right? It's like, well, okay, it looks like we're starting to slow here. Well, looks like we're getting a bit of a rounding top here. Are we going to start to drop here? And guess what? We didn't drop. But I don't trade that. Makes sense? Because that's based on a thought, not based on a probability, and not based on anything like that. What I do trade is my system. As you saw, I've had a really good week, and I hope you guys have as well too. I don't trade a lot, as you can see. I had a long-term trade that I was in with Apple, really nice profit there, and I actually got into 2 trades. One trade I'm still in right now, and the other trade was a short-term trade. Nice, beautiful trade. As you can see, guys, I don't trade a lot. But I trade high probability, and that's all I'm looking for. Those nice short-term cash flow trades. Very nice and easy. Rinse, recycle, repeat. Do well. And I hope you guys have an amazing week ahead. If you guys didn't have a good week, if you guys are behind, if you guys did short the market based on a YouTube video, then please, guys, like, this... I never know exactly what's going to happen, right? You never know exactly what's going to happen. So trading is based on a probability. It's based on a setup. Okay? So when I show you, say, TMUS, if I showed you my last 10 trades, they'll look almost identical to this setup here. Do you see what I'm saying there, right? So I trade based on probability, not based on that. So, so that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. Overall, guys, man, the market is continue to move up from here, and same for the SP500. We're actually now hitting this high up here. And now this, instead of this actually squeezing and rolling over, this actually could be now compressing now into an ascending triangle pattern. You know what, guys? I was wrong, but I was wrong in calling that I thought we were going to get some downside, but I was right in a matter of trading my plan and having a good week. Have a good weekend, guys. Traders, I am running a free training, and on this free training, I'm going to walk you through my #1 trading system for the last 15 years. If you're wondering, what is my trading system? How do I actually trade the markets? What sort of setups do I look for? Then this is for you. See, on this, I'm going to walk you through all the details, but I'm going to walk you through the 3 secrets. The secret #1 is I'm going to walk you through the one thing that took me from $250,000 in debt and almost went bankrupt to actually shifting to actually making money from the markets. I'm going to talk about that one thing. Secret #2, I'm going to walk you through all the steps and all the details to my trading system. I'm not going to hold anything back. You're going to learn all the details to this. So you too, when you leave, you'll be able to see exactly how I trade the markets and what sort of setups I look for, so you can start to apply it today as well too. And secret #3, I'm going to show you exactly how and how I trade the markets for only 1 hour per day as well too. So I'm going to walk you through everything through. So if you're struggling with the trading right now, you need to see this. If you're looking for a really high probability trading system that gets like over 90% success rate, then this is for you as well too. And if you're looking for a way to be able to have freedom in your life, but also condense that down with a really good trading system, then secret #3, you're going to love that as well too. So I'm running that free training today. So go to johnsfreetraining.com right now, and I'll see you there.